goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes.
What's up? I just want to kind of show you guys a point of view driving of this truck. It's 2016 F150 XLT FX4. Try to adjust this so you guys can see some stuff. So if you see down here, I got the gauges over here. I got Apple CarPlay. I'm actually kind of watching myself over here, and I have the SCT X4 down here. So take you guys for a little ride. Put it in sport mode. Oh yeah, she rubs. Just kind of get on it real quick over here in this back road, give it some gas. See, she really spins. Ecoboost has got a lot of power, and even with the 33 1250s Nitto Ridge Grappler, it'll still spin the hell out of the tires. It'll really break them loose. So in the rain, you really gotta be careful. Even with traction control and advanced track on, you still gotta be careful in this thing. Kind of hear the blow-off valve on there. Over there, he's got a Cobalt SS. He likes to go fast, so he should be all right with me kind of ripping up the neighborhood a little bit. Building this new house over here. It's a really nice house. They'll probably sell it for probably 230 grand. Took them about 3 months to build it, if that. Pretty nice house though. Gonna take you guys out here to a road where I can kind of open it up, let you guys see how the Ecoboost gets down. This truck, it really surprises a lot of people. If they've never been in like kind of a quick truck, they're like, wow, you know, this is pretty quick. It will surprise some sports cars, like some older sports cars, you know, guys that are pushing around 300 350 horsepower with their old Trans Ams or Camaros, you know, Mustangs. The newer Mustang obviously beats me in my truck, but the older ones, like, you know, 2005, 2006, the 4.6 liter, I can pretty much destroy those cars in this truck, so it's kind of funny. Some of the 4th generation Camaros, Trans Am, stuff like that. So you kind of get a crazy look whenever you pull on them in a gas truck. So I'm going to kind of open it up on this road. See how fast we can get going. I'll adjust this so we can kind of see the speedometer down there. All right. Bit of spin in second gear. So just shy of 100 miles an hour. Coming up on a bridge, so I didn't want to punch it coming over the bridge. You never know if there's people on the bridge or anything like that. This bridge goes over a pretty big interstate. Not really a busy bridge. Cool place. I kind of run along this route. I run over here in the grass whenever I do some physical training stuff. Kind of sucks to run over here because a lot of traffic flies over that bridge and they can't really see you. So that's pretty much it. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. I got some reviews coming up. I'm going to review my tow mirrors. I'm going to review my floor mats, the seats, and really give you guys a thorough review on some of the stuff that I have. The SCT X4, if it's worth the money. Apple CarPlay, I'll kind of let you know what these things cost and if they're really worth it if I do these mods again. So just make sure to subscribe, drop a comment if you have a question about something. I'm pretty responsive. I'll get back with you guys, and let me know what you think. it.